easy 30 minutes recipe using shrimp, chicken, and pasta. Very delicious, and you'll be having lunch or dinner for your family in no time. And the steps are easy to follow as well. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, just keep on watching. And big thank you to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell to become an official member of the family. So let's make this one, guys. So here is our starting ingredients. We have some bell peppers, different colors, but you use what available to you. We're using some fresh garlic cloves and onion. And we're going to wash these properly and cut in chunks. And for the bell peppers, we're going to cut them in slices. So continue watching, guys, and we'll come back when there is another step to be introduced. So keep watching, guys. Okay, now that we have prepared all our fresh ingredients, now I'm going to salt my water and allow it to boil. And here is my chicken breast and shrimps. We're going to add some spices. And the spices I'll use, I'll put them in the description box below. And we'll just season this, mix well, and allow to marinate at least 5 minutes. Then we bring it over to the stove. But continue watching, guys. Okay, guys, here's another quick run-through of some other ingredients. Cooking cream and garlic and herb cream cheese. And here we're adding our spaghetti to the pan. And we're going to allow these to cook until they are al dente. We don't need them to be soft. We need them to have a little hardness to them. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to heat up my pan, add some oil, so we can sear our chicken breast and our shrimp. So I'll catch you when there's another step to be explained. We have removed our seared chicken breast and shrimp. Here I'm adding a small amount of butter to my pan, and I'm adding my fresh veggies. I'm going to stir these well. I'm going to add my cream and my cream cheese, and we're going to stir this well. Add our spices and allow this to cook down until we have a nice thick cream. Then we're going to add some tomato paste along with our Cajun seasonings, and then we can add our pasta. But Watch to the end and I'll catch you when we have the final product. So here you have it, guys. Easy lunch or dinner idea in under 30 minutes. And this tastes so delicious. And we're just going to garnish with some fresh parsley. And this is ready to serve. So drop me in the comment section and tell me if you enjoy this one. And tell me if you love these easy recipes. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment. Drop me a comment below and let me know if these are the videos that you want to see. And do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.